Mr. Bajaj, I have been talking to a lot of experts. I have been asking them what's happening in the markets, where are the markets headed. But I want to ask you as well that what's really happening in the markets right now and what's really working for India at this point in time?
Okay, so let's divide this question into clusters. So right now,
Hmm.
in couple of months or maybe quarters, and in 5 years down the line. So what's happening in market right now is a function of where the money is going right now. The money from X asset class is coming out and going into Y asset class. Typically, money flow is decided by the movement of dollar. So dollar, which is dollar index, which is the benchmark of understanding where the dollar is going, is around 103. Okay, and dollar is a function of what is the interest rate in US. If the interest rate in US goes up, dollar will go up because obviously more people will park the money in US, and because of that, dollar will obviously go up. So short-term factors are more liquidity driven, which decides the market. And market can go up, and in 3 days you will see market went down again, and again you will see market going up. So the movement of market in short term is like this, because liquidity flows. It's very dynamic, right? But when we talk about quarterly, maybe coming 4 5 quarters, then the factors changes. So we have election, we have a lot of socio-economic activities happening in India. The whole demography of India is changing. We all are consuming in a very different manner. So the factors see are changing. Then we don't look at what is happening in the market from a 5% 6% move perspective. Then we think, can market from here, which is 18,000 right now, can it go to 20, 21,000, 22,000? The answer is yes, because those factors are very favorable for India. China +1, Europe +1. There are so many things which is very, very positive for our country. So when we ask this question, we need to be very sure that what is the duration we are thinking of. Are we asking this question from a week perspective? Then the answers will change because the factors changes. Or from a 4 year, 5 year perspective, the answer will change.
Absolutely, got that.